There is a tiny periwinkle. That is the relative of that rosy periwinkle, which we find commonly in gardens and all. But this is a native one, and it 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 comes on its own if you once you introduce in the garden. And I found this in Western Ghats, foothills region, Dakshina Kannada. Then also in around Bangalore, it's there. Here and there you'll see it's a very small plant. Whole plant is this much, and it's one of the weedy plants. Once you introduce it, it will self-propagate. The seeds. So this seeds burst open on their own, and then it propagates. There is a seed. Small spiky bean type of seed. Then leaves. A simple shaped leaves are there. Nothing much about it. Little bit dry places also it occurs. Leaf margin is having some lighter shade. Then underneath the leaf looks like this, and leaves are emerging in pairs, two leaves. Here also you can see two leaves are there. If you feed it well and all, it will become a bit taller. Here it's come like a weed actually. I had introduced this plant some 4-5 years back. Now in the farm, if our weeding people don't weed it off, it's there. So in these biodiversity gardens, it's very important that you don't just weed off all the plants. Very, very careful selective weeding has to be done, because many of the plants are weedy type of plants that people don't even notice, like this one, and it's an important herb also. This is the seed part, that one. Then flowers also here are so small, tiny flowers. The periwinkle, the botanical name I will write in the title itself. I will magnify 10 times. It likes good amount of shade, sun and all, but some shade also it tolerates. So that is our desi tiny periwinkle. Beautiful, non-charismatic. So small that people don't even notice it.